You manage a remote and vast production landscape. Your focus is on the safe and efficient production of a valuable commodity, such as copper, coal, petroleum, phosphates, or gold. Your success depends in large part on optimized productivity and reliability performance from the equipment and systems in which you've invested. On balance, you like the performance and support you obtain from trusted equipment suppliers, and you count on them to continually push the technology to higher levels of performance excellence for lower cost operations in support of your ever higher requirements. Something new and exciting is on the horizon.
In fact, it's here today. The next generation AC Drive 4100 class shovels from P&H Mining Equipment. This is what you get. Thanks to advanced ergonomics, superb sight lines, and instant access to machine performance and health information, the operator can be exceptionally comfortable and productive, no matter how hot, how cold, or how long the shift. And while the operator's shift may end, the machine keeps working. At the center of it all is the Centurion control system. This is Centurion. It continuously monitors, controls, and optimizes the entire shovel system through a fiber optic network. And a rugged, sophisticated drive system smoothly delivers best dynamic AC motor response for optimal shovel performance. Working together, the AC Drive and Centurion systems actively monitor shovel hoist and crowd thrust forces on the dipper and its handle. And to keep the shovel at peak efficiency with a minimum of maintenance, P&H features an adjustable saddle block system, making adjustments fast and easy. AC Drive 4100 class shovels obtain significant gains in hoist and crowd force thanks to a combination of factors. They include the rugged P&H boom with its traditionally wide base mounted to a revolving frame. These shovels deliver uniform optimal digging force across the entire horizontal cutting edge of the dipper, resulting in minimal voids. It means these shovels are most effective during those few seconds of cycle time that the dipper is in the bank. That's premium digging power for lower cost per ton.
Your operation will have a significantly smaller carbon footprint versus diesel-powered machines. The AC Drive 4100 series shovels are here now and ready to give you higher productivity, long-term reliability, unmatched efficiency, and lower cost per ton. AC Drive shovel.